So the first step is creating a new folder under source main resources static. And I'll give this folder name of CSS. And remember, any custom subdirectory here, you can give any name you want, but I'll just kind of keep something consistent here. And then I'll go through and actually create the CSS file in this directory. And I'll give the name of the file as demo.css. I'll zoom in here for a second, and this is a very basic CSS file. I'll just set the actual font style to italics. And I'll set the color to green. That's it. And now I'll move over here to my template file, helloworld.html. And this is our next step here, referencing the CSS file in our Thymeleaf template. I'll write some quick comments to myself. So we give a link here to our style sheet. We make use of href. And we give a reference to that css/demo.css. And remember, the @ symbol is a reference to the context path of your application, basically giving you access to your application root. So I'll expand the window here, and I'll just kind of stretch out at the bottom, give myself some white space, some room to work with. And so this is step 3 of applying the CSS style, right? So in HTML, we can apply styles by using class equals, and we give that actual class name or that style name. So here we're going to apply the style of funny, again, italics, green. And now we can simply test it out by running our application. Just swing over to my browser here and just reload that page. And oh yeah, there we go. So we have our output in italics with green, and it's all based on the CSS styles that we defined in our demo.css file. Okay, great. So we were successful here in applying CSS with Thymeleaf. Good job.